suspended, timeless, immersed in the matter of the universe. I'm the only one who can penetrate this fog, this inscrutable plasma. The magnetic field roots in the plasma, a sacred forest that pierces the fog, stretching towards the horizon. There I rise, light, where the mist doesn't let anything transpire. The forest blooms, grows, leaves. It absorbs energy from the matter, from the plasma, reaching the peak of its spring. All that stood ordered and uniform now branches out chaotic, mutating, vivid. This life nurtures, strengthens me. I am ready to depart and move beyond, migrating towards the unknown of the universe that I shall reveal. I am light. I create the visible, rising from the invisible.